For today's video guys, ito yung first time natin mag-fishing dito sa US. Let's go! Ayan, dito tayo mag-start. Bili tayo ng pamain. Let's go, let's go. Ayan, ang daming ano. Ang daming mga rod, fishing rod. Dapat pala dito na ako bumili oh. Check natin yung mga ano. Ang daming mga...
This is the lure that I have.
Ayan oh. Yes. Kuya Hill is like buying it.
Where is it, John? This one, the Yamamoto.
Oh, here's the fish. Baiting fish. What's that? It's gonna catch big fish.
Huh?
Nandito yung ano, ni-stock yung mga pamain. Here's where we're eating. Let's go. Here's the breakfast. Breakfast menu, lunch. Yeah, this. Look at their menu. There's a pancit, Asian sesame. You know. Here we are. Yeah. Here we are. In the woods. In the woods and in the pants. Where we're gonna fish. There. First catch of the day by John.
Right away.
Can I see it, John?
Yeah, hold on a minute.
Right away.
Oh.
Get the hook out of it.
Not even 10 minutes
Yeah.
in here. Not
Yo.
even 10 minutes.
So big.
Taga. Ayan na. Naku, baka ako na mamahok mo. Naknang toko ka. Sige nga, tignan ko nga bato mo. Tinuro ko sa'yo. Ay, patay tayo dyan. Paano mo ba nilagay?
This is a big one. Oh no. Oh, it's a big one.
You gotta take
Oh my.
You gotta take that home.
Oh my.
You gotta take that home, John.
Yeah, it's a big one.
What the heck?
So, it's a big one. It's a big one. Woo-hoo! It's a big one. Woo! Woo! Nice one. It's a big one.
Yo.
Oh, that's a big bass. Oh,
That is
huge. It's your lucky day, John.
Yo, you are
Oh, I have the first catch, but it's small.
Well, just think,
Yeah,
he'll grow up to be big
it's
like
first
that.
man.
someday.
Someday, I'm gonna catch you, man. Goodbye, my friend Bass. See you when you grow big. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You're gonna be big soon. Ayan, napagod ako tapos wala na kaming bait. Ayan, umalis muna sila kuya. Ayan, kumuha ng panibago. Ayan o. So dito tayo nag-fish. Ganda, ganda. And so far nag-enjoy naman tayo guys. It's our first time pero nag-enjoy tayo. Yun o, nangingisda yung mga MVP oh.
You wanna go back there?
Second catch, bluegill.
Too many fucking weeds over here.
Yeah, it's here.
They're gonna be there.
Late lunch, late lunch. Yeah. Nandito yung mga ano, mga MVP oh. Ayan oh. Nasa ano, Los Garcia.